4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I'm out here with fireworks and all my roommates, my nephew. Anyway, happy 4th of July. Happy July. Anyway, I'm going to be doing the games. Talk about that later. Still, enjoy the fireworks.
Yep, that's another lake.
See if I can make a close up. You see it? Oh, you see it. Now you see it. You see the magic. Oh, did you see that? It's the most amazing day. It's an amazing day of my life. Look at all these random people. You can't see it all. Let's look at the fireworks. And now you see light. Look at all the people here. Just enjoy this day. And those, oh no. Yeah, it's 3 days before I play Minecraft. Yeah, that's why I'm playing for the Regis skins. Now, you didn't vote for it, but I just want to see where it goes. First episode is going to be in my house. Anyway. Explosion. Look.
Around the world show.
Oh god. Awesome. Oh, this is so awesome. Look at the explosion. Oh gosh. So we are at Vietnam. What you doing, boys? Oh my god. This is amazing. Happy 4th of July! Good thing, audience. My birthday is in a couple more days. And then it's gonna be my birthday! Yay! The part where you say yay. Today's July 4th, right? 27 more days until my birthday. Yeah! Anyway, look. Explosions! So explosions. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Explosions. Explosion. And for my birthday, audience, you get to have. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Oh my god. You guys get to see 5 movies. Yeah. 5 movies. That's what I'm doing for my birthday. Bring my camera. Posting it on YouTube. So are you happy about that? Are you happy about this? You better be. Shoot them individually. Okay? And
Sound like firecrackers in the sky.
firecrackers in the sky. Firecrackers in the sky. Happy 4th of July. Say happy 4th of July to the YouTubers.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July. Peace out. And